So at Veridion, we love artificial intelligence. Our company literally wouldn't exist without it. But we also understand that for AI to really deliver on business needs, you need to pair it with high-quality, accurate data. And that's what we're building. We're building the data layer for decision-making. Right now, we monitor more than 120 million companies around the world, and all the data related to their legal entities, products, capabilities, physical locations, ESG commitments, and many more. And we strive to make it available to all the platforms and applications you already work with, to not add another screen to your long list of screens. So the way we do this is we've built technology to turn all the unstructured information on the internet that exists on companies into structured data. And we collect really in-depth information, for example, everything related to products and services, certifications, ESG commitments and news, and many others. And we collect it from everywhere where companies communicate or they report to. So we aggregate from trade registries, from news articles, from social media, from the company's website. And we've built an AI layer to understand what's very likely to be true and what isn't, and we curate all the data to only keep the one that can tick the box on accuracy, on what we call decision-grade accuracy, meaning you can rely on it to make decisions. And that's quite a high, tall order. For example, we have models that structure product catalogs from everywhere manufacturers publish them. So at a glance, we refresh our data on a weekly basis, and we provide really in-depth information. But I'm sure the question is, why should you care? And I think you should care a lot, not about us, but about the fact that I think modern AI plus high-quality data can transform the entire way, the entire relationship with a supplier, from the time you search for the right suppliers to the time when you discuss with them, to relationship management over years and decades to come. Just to give you an example, so supplier discovery, this is something we hear from our clients a lot, is very inefficient, takes weeks, it involves a lot of Googling, and I think the biggest problem with it is you find companies that are good at PR and SEO and not necessarily at the thing you're buying. With good high-quality data, we've made an API that returns with very specific criteria in seconds all the companies that match that criteria. You can search for certifications, physical locations, company size, experience in a specific industry, capabilities, materials, and many more. And that's also available in natural language, so you don't need to code. Just to give you another quick example, in supplier risk management, the typical story we see from our clients is that, 10 seconds, is that usually this is done once at the beginning of the relationship with the supplier. We wish for a future where that's done continuously and you always know what happens to the tens of thousands of suppliers that your business relies on. That's it. I'm good. Thanks.
Thank you very much.